the stars.
Hi! Gulat ka, no? Yan, may mga taong gustong bumati sa'yo. Ito na sila.
Hi Ben! Happy birthday! Ayun, enjoy your day with Shai and Chan Chan. Good luck sa Cisco, more sales to come. Yun, inuman soon. Pagdating ni Amba.
Okay, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko more success sa negosyo mo. God bless always.
Happy birthday, Tol! Hi, Tol! Happy birthday! More business to come. Ay ka muna. Ay. Wait, happy? Happy? Say happy? Happy?
Papi,
Birthday?
Pute,
Tito?
Tito,
Stephen?
Pite.
Love, birthday ni Stephen. Sino? Stephen! Happy birthday!
Tol, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Masaya ka sa narating mo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Steven!
Hello po, Boss Sipen. Happy birthday po sa inyo. And sana po matupad lahat po ng mga wish nyo. Yun po.
Kamusta ang buhay, boss? Happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come sa atin. Sana mahaba pa yung buhay mo. Ay, buhay natin pala. Thank you dahil napunta ako sa inyo. Thank you dahil naging part ako ng family na to, ng Cisco na to. Thank you, and I love you all. Salamat, Lord. Salamat.
So yun, magandang gabi. Ito na naman, Boss R na naman. Una sa lahat, binabati ko ang aking boss, Boss S. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo, lahat ng gusto mong matupad para kay Cisco. Dito lang kami mga tauhan mo, boss. Mga tropa, kumpare. Dito lang kami. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday, boss.
Happy birthday, Sir Stephen. I wish you all the best. More blessings to come to your family and to the Cisco family. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Stephen. Sana'y maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Oh, dali, Samantha.
happy birthday, Tito Tipin.
Oh, ikaw.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Oh.
Sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Hi kuya, happy birthday. More blessing to come at mag-iingat palagi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Pen. I hope you enjoy your day. I wish you abundant happiness and blessings. Stay healthy para more barik to come. Always remember, you're getting better, not older. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Tipin. I love you.
Happy birthday, Thank you for everything. Alam mo na yon. Sana humaba ang buhay mo at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Yun lang. Shot na yan.
Kuya, happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. I love you. Ingat ka palagi. Kuya, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. Good luck. Sana matupad mo lahat yung pangarap mo. Happy birthday.
Of when we were young, we photographed you in this line in case it is the last time that we might.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you. Pepe, Daddy. Love you.
Happy birthday, honey. I wish you all the best for your birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Chan Chan.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa pagiging mabuting ama at mabuting asawa sa akin, sa amin ni Chan Chan. Ayun lang, we wish you good health, more wealth, and stay pogi. Pogi daw, pogi. 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 Love you.
Ito, mami.